Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to install Python on Windows. So first, you just have to open any web browser and then type Python download. Okay, so let me type it right here, Python download. Okay, and then what you want to do next is to click the very first link or site that you can see here. So click this one, download Python. And then here, as you can see, we have here download the latest version for Windows because I am using Windows. But if you're using this Mac OS and other device, you just have to tap that one. But for me, because I'm using Windows, so I have to tap this download Python here. As you can see, it is now installing or downloading. And then here, what you want to do is simply scroll down and you need to check these two boxes here. Okay, use admin and add Python. Now click Customize Installation and you have to make sure that you have checked these boxes here. Okay, optional features, but you have to check all of this and then click Next. Now you have to click this Install Python 3.12 for all users and then tap Install. Okay, now you have to wait for a couple of minutes, I guess. Okay, so you have to wait for that. Now, once done setting up, what you want to do next is to simply click search box below and then type CMD. So this one is command prompt. Click open. And here, what you want to do is to type Python. Okay, so type first the word Python here and then tap enter. Okay, so as you can see, I'm currently typing or entering Python. And then as you can see, we have here this result. Okay, just go to this part right here and then type print. Okay, you just have to follow this one and then hello world. Now after that, tap enter and you will see here hello world. You can also try this one, 5 plus 2, and then tap enter, then you will see here the result. Okay, now you can simply close this one or minimize the CMD here. Go to the search box and then type idle. Okay, and you will see here idle Python. Okay, tap open. So we can do the same thing and try if this will work. So we can also type print and then type hello world and let's see if it has the same result. And as you can see here, if I enter this, you can see the same result, hello world. Okay, now let's try this to a new file. So you can open new file here and then let's try this. Okay, A is equals to 2, then B equals to 7, and then print A plus B equals 2. Okay, now what you want to do next here is to simply save this. Okay, so you can type any title here. Everything is up to you. So click File and then type Save As and then save this one. So once you have saved this file, what you want to do next is to click this Run and you will see here the result. Okay, and that's how easy it is to install Python on Windows. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.